Hello everybody and welcome. It is Mindy and I have a few things to show you here today from GBFKE. We're going to get into it as soon as I say thank you for coming to my channel and watching a video. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy and you stick around and you watch more things. And everybody who has been here for a while, thank you for returning. I have some good stuff to show you today from GBFKE. Let's get into it. Are you ready? Let me show you what we have. I got some cute stuff here today. Look at that. Look at it. Okay, so you know I don't like fox. So I'm not calling it a fox. I'm not. I mean, okay, don't look at the tail right there. I'm just calling it like a cute dog. Can it be a cute dog? I loved it though. There were like 4 of these. So when I link these below, make sure you're finding the one you like. They were similar and they were all super cute. So you couldn't go wrong with any one of them. But I think it's adorable. So cute. I see some large drills here, the number 7. But that's about all I see for larger drills. Is everything else just a rhinestone? It might be. I don't know. Let's look and find out. There's only 7 drills. So let's see what we get. Cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do we have here? We have a very bright yellow rhinestone, peachy color, a green, a darker green, another peachy orange color, and a clear. I was right, they're all rhinestones except for those gold balls. And there's some greens in there. If you need some green, there they are. But I couldn't resist. Super cute. Like I said, there are multiple, maybe like 4 different poses. They're cute. So cute. All right. Let's set that one aside for now. All right. Here we go. Number 2. Okay. These next couple are very similar. And there were, I don't know how many, 3 or 4, again, different varieties of this. And I love them all. Okay. I'm going to zoom you in. There we go. I'm going to call these lupines. Some of you might call them blue bonnets if you live in Texas. I think they'll look like lupines, sunflowers. How pretty. In this circle, and then it's in a square, like it's all framed in for you. I think it's lovely. I think it's beautiful. It's a 30 by 30. It's got like a stained glass effect, right? It's got 7 different drills. And I think all of these are going to be just fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. So let's show them to you and see what they look like. Cobalt blue is my guess, right? Oh, and look, I think these in the center are going to be a larger drill. Ooh, what do we have? Let's find out. All right, so we have a good amount of black. So I'm going to assume that this is all bordered with black and then probably blue in the center. We have some gold rhinestones, green, purple rhinestones, pink rhinestones. Then we have these gold balls, and we have a whole bunch of those, right? That's all those flower petals, everywhere. Isn't that going to be pretty? Oh my gosh, so pretty. All right, if you like that one, you'll like the next one. Let me show you the next one. Are you ready? This one has even more special drills. Look at this one. Oh, right? Again, stained glass kind of effect. Look at these all the way around the outside and in the center of the flower. And again, we're going to have some blue making those. Oh, we're even going to get some slivers down here in the corner. There's slivers in those flowers and slivers in the blue flowers over here. That's manageable. We can do that. We can do that. Oh, up here we're going to have like some teardrops. Again, I think they're lupine or blue bonnet. And I think the 2 are very similar. So anyhow, let's look at them. There are, how many? 9. 9 drills. Look at those sunflowers. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. All right, here we go. Wow, there is a lot of specials for this one. So again, black, because I think we're going to have a black border here, right? And then something shiny on the outside. We have green rhinestones, very light orange, and a brown. Okay, here's our slivers. See, there's not a ton of them. Very manageable, a little bit of blue. And then we have 2 bags of these big gold ones. Now they're going to make this whole border, the center of the sunflower. There's one in the center of those. That's where these are going to go. That's why there's 2 bags. Then we have some smaller ones. All right. Then we have some small blue round ones and these pretty, pretty, pretty marquees, right? Oh, is this the... Yeah, these are some of the slivers too. They go up here, but those are fine. You know what? I like it so much better when slivers are just like this than when we're trying to make a flower. Making the flowers are kind of hard because you got to get those. I'll show you. Hang on. You got to get them just right. And usually there's something that goes in the center. These don't have anything in the center. So they might be a little bit easier to do. You don't have to be quite as precise. But so that's our 2 lupine / blue bonnety type paintings. And they're so pretty. I think there were more too, besides those 2. I know there were. I know there were others. All right, let's switch gears completely and let's go ho, 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 right? Let's go ho, ho, ho. Isn't that cute? So, so cute. Again, this one is perfect for cutting out and then putting it onto something else, some other paper, maybe some cool Christmas paper or something, and plopping it in a frame. I think he's adorable. He's so cute. Larger ones here and here and here through his hat. How many? 9 different drills. 9. None of this around the outer edge gets drills. None of that. Okay? His face doesn't have any drills on it. The pine cones don't. I think he's gonna be adorable. I like that it kind of had a little pink in the background. You know, I like to be a little non-traditional. I'm not necessarily a red and green kind of girl. All right, what do we have? Oh, there's something cool in here. Okay. We have some orange. They're orange with a little red hue. Gold, green, and black. Then clear. Look, we have some flowers. How many do we have? 4. And what number are they? 6. Oh, they go in the centers of the flowers. Cool. I like that. Then we have some big white pearls. You know where those are going to go. Those are the number 7s. So on his mittens, and we have some stars and some red, round, faceted. Love it. I think he's super cute. I did a pink Santa once, and I just loved how it turned out. I framed it, and I bring it out every year at Christmas time. I love it. Okay, last item. This is part of my collection. This is one that was broken, and I needed to reorder, get another one. Trying to get them all. Getting close. I am getting close. Come on. Let go. Let go. Watch me break the thing trying to get through this sticker. Lord have mercy. In a previous video, I showed a repeat, and I didn't go through all the drills because I've done that in the past, but we have January. My January that came the last time was just slightly broken. It's like this snowflake here was like right there, you know? And I'm just like, I don't got time for that, you guys. Maybe you could fix them. I don't know, but I'm just like, no, they're broke. I need a replacement. That's all. So this one's all cobalt blue and like pretty iridescent colors, right? All cobalt blue and iridescence. So I love it. So that was my replacement. Okay. That's what I have for you today, folks. Let me know which one you liked. They're all so pretty. This collection right here, oh my gosh, this collection just grabbed me. I could get all of those and it would not hurt my feelings. You guys are like zoomed in up the max here. There. You get all of these, wouldn't hurt my feelings. And then these guys, oh, so cute. Just don't call him a fox. I'm not too loud, okay? Anyhow, that's what I have. I hope you enjoyed. They'll all be linked below. Check out the links. Make sure you're getting what you want. Sometimes, you know, like I've said, they'll have several in a listing. Make sure you pick out the one you really, really want when you check those links, okay? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And please do all those things that YouTubers do. Hit that like button, subscribe, share videos, all those things that help us so much. And it really does. And we appreciate it immensely. So thank you for doing those things. And I'll catch you next time with another video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all soon. Bye, everyone.